guys, here we go. Now, on this radio, I replaced this gimbal. This is a Tyrannus. This one is the stock gimbal. When I followed the wiring connection on this thread, this stick was reversed. So, I went into the radio, I reversed the stick, and then it was correct, I thought. Then when I went to use the trim acted in the opposite direction. So, I switched the wires to outside wires on the pot. That corrected it to put it back to normal. I then went back into the radio, took the gimbal, took the stick off of reverse, put it in, it was as normal. So, let's go ahead and check that right now. Okay, we're going on in. Okay, there we go, where our controls. Alright, go in there, and as you can see, I'm on aileron, elevator, throttle, rudder, and if we go down here, you can see that nothing is reversed, everything is normal. Okay, so let's exit that. Now, when we go here, in this particular case on this plane, the ailerons are correct, the stick is correct, and the ailerons are correct. Okay? Right, aileron is correct. Okay? Left is correct. Now, I want to trim it. I trim it to the right. Okay? In other words, right stick, I want to trim it up. I give it a trim. Okay, and it trims up. I want to trim it to the left, down, and there we go. Okay, so let's put it back to normal. Now, let's go into the mixer, rather the limits. Oops. Alright. Let's go into limits. And on this particular model, I have the ailerons on channel 1 and 5. 1 is the left, so I'll invert it anyway. So I invert that one. Alright. Then I invert this one. Okay. I didn't invert that one, I inverted the wrong one. Let's invert this one. Okay. There we go. So, let's go back to the screen, main screen, and you can see it's inverted. The channel is inverted. Okay? You'll see on the aileron, right aileron gives left bank, which is incorrect, but just for this argument, we don't care. What we care about is the trim. So, I want to trim it again to the right, which in this case would be down. Alright? I trim to the right, and sure enough, it trims to the right with the stick. I trim to the left, and sure enough, it follows suit. Okay? If we go here, we can see that the trim shows opposite. Oh no, it doesn't. It's okay. So the trim follows suit. No, it doesn't. The trim shows opposite. Okay, which is fine because as long as it's acting on the control surface correctly, that's all that matters. Okay. All right. Left trim follows what it does. Alright, now let's move on. Let's go in and let's reverse the channel. Let's reverse the stick itself. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in and I'm going to change these to non-inverted channels. Okay? change the stick. We go in here, go down to controls, go into controls. I'm on aileron, elevator, throttle, rudder. Okay, now I just have to be careful here because this plane's gonna, the motor's gonna fire up. Let's see. So I'm just gonna put this camera down for a second. Okay, so I went and switched it. As you can see, the right stick aileron is reversed. Okay, fine and dandy. Let's exit this. Okay, when we look here, it definitely is reversed on the screen. Forget about that, it's not calibrated. I'm not going to bother with that for right now. That's neither here nor there. Okay, so ultimately right now it is, as you can see, centered. The trim is centered. So if we go here, okay, it acts correctly. It's reversed, which it should be, because this stick is not installed backwards. Now, let's go into, we want to check the trim, okay? So, I give it right stick, which is down elevator, down aileron, okay? Now, I go ahead and give it right trim, and as you can see, it trims up. It does not follow the stick, okay? If I trim to the left, it's reversed. The trim is not following the stick direction. So if I wanted to trim it downward like this, which is to the right, and then I trim to the right, it trims it up. Now, we're back to normal. Now, let's go in and go to the mixer. On this I have, it's on, like I said, channel 1 and channel 5. Okay, now with the stick reversed and those two channels inverted, okay, go back to the main screen. It follows correctly. Alright, this follows correctly. Now, I give it right stick. I want to give it right trim, and it trims to the left. It does not. If I trim left, so stick right, aileron goes up. Trim right, aileron goes down. Stick left, trim left, aileron goes up, and it should go down. Okay? That should not be the case. Whatever the stick does, the trim should follow. There is no question about it. It is reversed. Alright? So, go back into limits. Change this channel back to normal. Okay. And right stick is down. Right trim goes up. Left trim goes down. Left stick is up. So, no matter what, the trim always has to follow the stick. It cannot be reversed. Left stick not the right trim. Okay? Okay, that was left, was down. Yep, left is up on the stick. So, let's just go back quickly. These are not inverted channels. And let's go back into controls. And again, I have to hold the plane real quick, so just bear with me. Okay, we're back to normal. Alright, no stick reverse. Exito. Let's go into, let's just now, so here we go. Right stick, aileron up. Left stick, aileron down. Right trim, aileron up. Left trim, left stick, aileron down. Left trim. Okay. Now let's just go ahead one more time. And go in. Okay, so now the channels are inverted for the ailerons. And as you can see, right stick gives down, aileron, left stick, okay. However, the trim follows suit. Right is down, right trim, trim's down. Left stick, up, left trim is up. So, I noticed this when this stick was reversed according to the wiring in the thread. I reversed the stick, everything appeared normal until I tried to operate the trim, and I realized the trim was opposite from what the stick was doing. So the argument is not why am I reversing a stick that doesn't need to be reversed, because it did need to be reversed and it exhibited the same problem. Trim was opposite of the stick. That is when I went and just changed the wiring, put the stick back to normal. But then as a test, I wanted to see if there was an issue with reversing the stick and the behavior of the trims, and sure enough, the trims are opposite of the stick. Whatever way the stick goes, whether the stick is reversed or not, whether the channel is inverted or not, right stick would be right trim. Left stick should be left stick. But when I reverse the stick, right stick is left trim, left stick is right trim. Alright, let me get this on YouTube and now hopefully this clarifies everything. Okay? And by the way, man, great job, guys. This is just unbelievable. And and there's that little nifty thing I did, my little ER9X on the radio. So, and then as it turns out, my other radio, it was this stick. That was the one I bought these replacements for. But like an idiot, I went and replaced the stick in this one because I like this radio better because it's newer. So, it's neither here nor there. I'll have to buy some more more gimbals. There's not enough gimbals in my life. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.